Say Daddy.
Daddy.
Call Nikki. Where's the cat? Dog? Sheep? Say bah. What's the sheep say? Say horse? What's the horse say? Say cow? What's cow say? Say duck? What's the duck say? Say frog? What's the frog say? What's the elephant say? What's the lion say? What's the papa say? How's Papa talk? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Where's your chin? Where's your eyes? Eyes. Where's your cheek? No, cheek. Where's your chin? Where's your forehead? Where's your hair? Where's your ears? Where's your belly? Where's your butt? Where's your butt? You put your hands in your pocket. Where's Sarah Beth's knees? No, where's your knee? That's foot? Where's your toes? You confused now? What does the mouse say? Can you say bird? Can you say purple cat? Say purple? Say cat. Say orange. Say blue. Say red. Say it's snowing. How do you do Ram Tam Sam? Do Ram Tam Sam.